Executor Duties, a 60-point checklist, is a comprehensive guide for individuals who have been appointed as an executor or personal representative of an estate. The checklist covers 60 principles to help executors manage the complex responsibilities of settling an estate and ensure that all legal and financial requirements are met. Here's a summary of some of the principles. Obtain copies of the will and other estate planning documents. Obtain the death certificate and other necessary documentation. Locate and secure all assets of the estate. Notify beneficiaries and heirs of the estate. Open a bank account for the estate. Pay ongoing bills and expenses of the estate. Prepare an inventory of assets and liabilities. Obtain appraisals of valuable assets. File the will with the appropriate court. Notify creditors of the estate. File any necessary tax returns. Pay any taxes owed by the estate. Distribute assets to beneficiaries and heirs. Obtain receipts and releases from beneficiaries. Close the estate bank account. File a final tax return for the estate. Obtain court approval of the executor's actions. Keep accurate records of all transactions. Communicate regularly with beneficiaries and heirs. Act in the best interests of the estate and its beneficiaries. Comply with all legal and regulatory requirements. Hire an attorney, accountant, or other professionals as needed. Protect and preserve assets of the estate. Follow the instructions of the will and other estate planning documents. Obtain court permission before making any major decisions. Manage any ongoing businesses or operations of the estate. Handle any disputes or legal challenges that arise. Notify any government agencies or organizations that need to be informed of the death. Transfer ownership of any real estate or other property. Obtain appropriate insurance coverage for the estate. Evaluate and liquidate any business interests or investments of the estate. Obtain releases from any creditors or debtors of the estate. Investigate and recover any assets that may have been misappropriated. Pay any outstanding bills or expenses of the estate. Communicate with beneficiaries and heirs regarding the status of the estate. Address any claims against the estate. Distribute any remaining assets to the beneficiaries and heirs. Obtain releases from any remaining beneficiaries and heirs. Close any accounts or memberships of the decedent. And transfer any intellectual property or licensing agreements.